Well, good morning. This is Wayne with Specialized Maintenance, Awning Cleaning and Repair Service. Today you're going to see that we're here at a job where the edge of the awning, they sometimes call this piping, has gotten loose from this awning, and we're going to repair it. It's two locations. Let's take a look. There you go. So we're going to do a little repair job on this. So we'll let you see the progress as it happens. All right, we've fixed the first looseness of the edge here, and we're using a fabric adhesive, and we are going to keep this blue tape to hold the braiding up on here until it is dry. Take about an hour, and we have about 4 feet to go here on this repair. Well, it's been a little while. You can see that we've got most of this done. However, we still have a little bit here that's open, and we're going to fix that just real shortly. Alrighty, we are done with the part of attachment. We're just going to wait for a little drying time here. But we've got that braiding all put in there nice. And we're going to check any other parts of this awning that might need some repair. Well, we've completed the job, and you can see that it's looking real good now. The braiding has been fixed. Well, this is Wayne with Specialized Maintenance, Awning Cleaning, and we also do minor repairs on awnings. Thanking you for watching the video. If you have any awnings that need repair or cleaning, give me a call. Appreciate you watching the video, and as always, have a great day. Bye-bye now.